Hello children, good morning. Everybody is fine at home. Okay, then whatever the homework we are giving you in the class, please be regular with that homework. Okay, then if you have any doubts, come to school and clear your doubt. Okay, then before that children, again I am going to give you an information about the books. Okay, what is that? CW and HW. CW stands for classwork and HW stands for homework, right? CW and HW. Till I say you to write in a CW, please don't touch that CW children. Okay. Then HW. Then this HW, whatever I am going to teach in the class, then whatever I am going to give you words for the practice, you have to write that in a HW. And I told you and how to write and how to make a columns and how to practice the words, right? Then till today I think I have not given a homework in a HW. Why? Because if a book is like a workbook, then they have given there so many lines and the columns, you have to practice that words, how many lines they have left to practice it. Okay. Then what I taught you in the last class children, that second lesson I have finished, right? That is Dvavitva Vyanjan. It means dual consonants. We have completed the dual consonant. Let me recall that lesson once again, children. After that, after recalling, I am going for the third lesson. Okay. Take out your textbook, children. Page number 13. That is Vaipva Vyanjan. It means in English dual consonant. What is dual consonant? Okay, dual consonants. What we say in Hindi? Dvait, Dvait Vyanjan. Okay, Dvait Vyanjan. Then related to, they have given here some words in the last class many times. I made you to read in the class children. Now once again I am going to recall it. What are Dvait Vyanjan? Dual consonants means K, Ch, T. Next D. Okay. After that T, N, P, B, M. Okay. Then first word is makha. Makha का मतलब कौन? इक्खा, ढक्कन, कच्चा, बच्चा, 25. Okay, I am going to reading this one page children. मिट्टी, खट्टी, लड्डू, गड्डी, लड्डू, again कबड्डी. Okay. D, कबड्डी. This word is made up of a dual consonant. D two times ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. So with the help of that consonant, this word made children. Okay. Then chatha, chatha. After that patta, patta means leaf. Kutta, kutta means dog. Okay. Next prasanna, happy. Then ganna, sugarcane. Ann, grain. Chappar, thatched roof. Next chappal, slippers. Okay. Then appa, father. Next gubbara, murabba, dibba, amma, chammach, himmat. Up to here we have studied in the last class. Then I have given you homework children. What is that? Kacha, you have to write one time. Kacha, appa. Next one, khatta, laddu, patta, dibba means box, ullas, happy, rassi. Okay. Ganna, amma, makka, next gubbara. I told you to write these words in a textbook itself. Okay. Then now we move on to the lesson number 3rd, that is Raka Prayog, means uses of Ra. Raka Prayog. Now we will start with the lesson, that is Raka Prayog. Raka Prayog. Okay. Raka Prayog. This Raka Prayog means uses of Ra. What are the uses of then? Then with the help of that Ra, how many words are made? They have given in your textbook children. First one, Gajar. Gajar. Ga plus j plus r means gajar. Gajar. Gajar means what, children? Carrot. What is carrot? C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Okay. This is the first word. Second one. Angur. 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 It's a plus gu plus र means अंगूर. अंगूर का मतलब क्या है? grapes. What is grapes? Okay. Next, third one. टमाटर. ट plus ma plus t plus r. Okay. This means टमाटर. Tomato. Okay. Next, fourth one. सर्प. स र व्यंजन प. सर्प. सर्प means what? Snake. Snake. Okay. Next, fifth one. सूर्य. सु plus र व्यंजन. Okay. Then य means सूर्य. सूर्य का मतलब क्या है? सन. See children, र का प्रयोग. फर्स्ट वन गा प्लस ज प्लस र. गाजर. गाजर इंग्लिश में क्या बोलती है? कैरेट. ओके. आफ्टर दैट अंगूर. अंगूर. अंगूर मीन्स grapes. After that tomato. Tomato. Serp. Snake. Okay. Next surya. Sun. Repeat once again. Gajar. Carrot. Gajar. Carrot. Okay. Once again. Gajar. Carrot. After this angur. Grapes. Angur. Grapes. Angur. Grapes. Okay. Next tomato. 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 Okay. Next serp. Snake. Serp. Snake. Next surya. Sun. Surya. Sun. Okay. These 5 words are there, children. Let me repeat. After that, पर्वत. प र व्यंजन. नेक्स्ट व त means पर्वत. Okay. Parvat means what, children? Mountain. What is mountain? M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. Parvat. Mountain. How you are going to write that Parvat, children? Pa, Ra Vyanjan. Okay. Then Va, Ta. Parvat. If you add these all the letters, that Parvat word comes. Okay. This Parvat means what? Mountain. Seventh one. Chakra. Chakra. How you are going to read that one, children? Chakra. Chakra. Okay. Cha plus ka ka व्यंजन. Next ra means chakra. Chakra. Okay. Then chakra means what, children? Wheel. What it is? Wheel. Next eighth one. Chandram. How you are going to pronounce this one? Chandram. Cha, da, ra, ma. Okay. Chandram. Cham. Next. The. Next. Ra. Ma. Okay. What it is? Chandram. Chandra means moon. Have you seen moon, children? It's we see in the morning, right? Morning ನೋಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ like the moon? No. We see in the night. We can see that sun in the morning. Ninth one. Pranam. Pra. Na. Ma. Pranam. Pranam means salutation. Okay. Salutation. Salute ಹೊಡಿದಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, that we call as a pranam, salutation. 10th one, truck. Ta, sorry, ta plus ra plus ka. Okay, truck. Truck means what, children? Truck itself. We are calling this truck in Hindi also same, then in English also same. That is truck. Okay. 11th one, drum. 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 We can say in English also drum. Okay. See here. Pa, ra, va, ta. These all the letters made a word that is Parvat. Okay. Then Parvat means mountain. Parvat, mountain. Parvat, mountain. Okay. Then cha, ka, ra. Chakra. What it is? Chakra. You can say that chakra in English. Wheel. Chakra, wheel. Okay. Parvat, mountain. Chakra, wheel. Next, Chandra, moon. Chandra, moon. After that, Pranam. Pranam is salutation. Next, truck, truck, drum, drum. Okay. After that, let me rub it, Chandra. Next, we move on to the trolley. What it is? Trolley. Have you seen trolley? ಸೂಪರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾಕ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಟ್ರಾಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಟ್ರಾಲಿ ಇಟ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಟ್ರಾಲಿ, TROLLEY. Trolley. What is the use of trolley, children? We should take a things from one place to another place. Okay, with the help of that trolley. Here, up to here, they have given the third chapter, children. Okay, let me repeat it. Raka Prayog. I have written all the words on the board, then also I told you how to read it one. Okay, first one, gajar, carrot, angur, grapes, tomato, sarp, snake, surya, sun, sea, parvat, mountain. Next, chakra, wheel. Okay, chandra, moon. Salutation, salutation हिंदी में क्या बोलती है? प्रणाम. Okay, then mountain हिंदी में पर्वत. Next, tomato, टमाटर. Grapes, अंगूर. Next, carrot, गाजर. Okay, next, snake, सर्प. Sun, सूर्य. Wheel, chakra. Okay, then how many words they have given here, children? 12 words they have given. You have to learn these 12 words in the home. Okay, after that turn to page number 18. Padho aur likho. Whatever we have learned the words in the in the lesson, children, they have given the exercise for your practice purpose. Okay, you have to write the words in here. Okay, what they have given here? Karma. First one, karma they have given na? They have left here one line. Okay, then you have to use this line sign and write here. Write like this first. Karma. Okay. Write this one like this in your home. Karm, Harsh, Varsh. Okay. Next, Darpan, Prashna. हर्ष का मतलब हैप्पी. ओके. वर्ष ईयर. दर्पण घमंड. ओके. प्रश्न क्वेश्चन. प्रणाम सैल्यूटेशन. ग्रह होम. ओके. प्रकाश ब्राइट. ओके. नेक्स्ट, ड्रम, ट्रॉली एंड मेट्रो. They have given these all the words you have to write in a textbook itself. Okay. Next we move on to the Padho aur likho. They have given a one small poem like that related to that Ra Ka Prayog chapter. Okay. After all the lessons they have given small poem or a small para. Why they have given, children? They have made that para with the help of the letter which they have taught in the what lessons. Okay. See, let us read it now. दोपहर का समय था. It was a afternoon time. Okay. Then काले बादलों के कारण सूर्य का प्रकाश कम हो गया था. The sunlight was a faint because the dark clouds. Okay. There was a afternoon time. It was a very dark. Why? Because there was a cloudy. Okay. ಮಾಡಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕತ್ಲೆ ಕತ್ಲೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಾ. ಫುಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಕತ್ಲೆ. ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಚೂರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಮಾಡಾಗೈತಿ ನೋಡು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕತ್ಲೆ ಬಿತ್ತು. ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಡೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಚೂರ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕತ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಮಾಡಾಗೈತಿ ನೋಡು. ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ದ ಸನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಫೇಂಟ್ बिकॉज ऑफ द डार्क क्लाउड्स. दोपहर का समय था. काले बादलों के कारण सूर्य का प्रकाश कम हो गया था. ओके. सूर्य प्रकाश का कम हो गया था ಅಂದ್ರೆ सनशाइन ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯಿತು. प्रेम प्रतिदिन मेट्रो से घर आता था. What? Prem daily comes to home by a metro. Okay. That Prem is going for a work somewhere. Then he used to come to home back by using the metro. Okay. Metro means what? It is a vehicle, children. Okay. And then प्रेम प्रतिदिन मेट्रो से घर आता है. आज अभी तक घर नहीं पहुंचा. Okay. Till today he had not reached the home. Why? See now. माँ इसी फिक्र में दरवाजे पर खाटी थी. See children, like your mother. If you come late by school by 5 minutes or 10 minutes, your mother start to wait in front of the door, right, for ವ್ಯಾನ್. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ವ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರೇಮ್ ಕಾ ಮದರ್, ಪ್ರೇಮನ ತಾಯಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಮೈ ಡಾಟರ್ ಸನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕೇಮ್. ಶಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹರ್ ಸನ್. ಓಕೆ. ಹರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೇಮ್. नेक्स्ट, माँ इसी फिंक में दरवाजे पर खड़ी थी. तभी प्रेम का आथा दिखाई दिया. माँ खुश हो गई. Mother was standing on the door in a worry. She is completely worried. Why? Because her son came by late. So soon she saw Prem coming. Mother was happy when she seen her son entered. She became very happy. Okay, this was the poem, children. Once again I am going to read this one. Okay. Next they have given here some words. दोपहर. दोपहर का मतलब क्या है? आफ्टरनून. Okay. Some meanings they have given here. दोपहर. दोपहर means afternoon. दोपहर. दोपहर means afternoon. Okay. Next, प्रकाश, उजाला, प्रकाश. Another one meaning in Hindi, children. Ujala. Prakash means ujala. In English, what we can say? Bright, light. Okay. Light. प्रकाशा का मतलब light. दोपहर का मतलब afternoon. Next, प्रतिदिन. प्रतिदिन. प्रतिदिन का मतलब हिंदी में क्या होती है? हर दिन. ओके. हर दिन, हर साल, हर दिन. हर साल में प्रति वर्ष, ईयरली. हर दिन का मतलब डेली. ओके. In English what we say, children? happy. Okay. If anybody asks you what do you mean by kush in English, you have to tell them happy. Okay. Let me read questions. Dophar, afternoon. Prakash, light. Next, Pratidin, har din. Then English in English, every day. Okay. Kush means present, happy. Okay. These are all the meanings related to this para. Okay. Then children, now we move on to the abhyas. Abhyas means exercise. Whatever the exercise they have given related to that lesson, now we will see now. Okay. So, ra, ya. These are all the letters made of one word. That what it is then Surya. Okay. Surya. See here. This one Surya. Pa, ra, va, ta. Parvat. What it is? Parvat. You have to write in a textbook, children. Okay. See here. Today I am going to make a PDF on these 3 lessons and I am going to send for you. You have to write in a CW. Okay. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು 3 ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಹಿಂದಿ PDF ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಏನು PDF ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ CW ಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು CW ದೊಳಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಸೂರ್ಯ, ಪರ್ವತ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ Marg. What it is? Marg. Marg means root. Okay. Next, drum. Okay. Next, pranam. Salutation. Next, chakra. What it is? Wheel. Okay. Can you write, children? You have to use these letters and make a complete word. Okay. Then next we move on to the shabd. Per sahi ka nishan lagao. See, tick in front of the correct word. First one. Chandram, Chandrama, Chandrama annangilla now. Chandram antivi. Okay. That first one is a wrong here, children. This one is a wrong, this one is the right. But they told you here 2 words ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾವು ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಬಲ್, ಪ್ರಬಲ್, ಪ್ರಬಲ. This one you want to write. Prashna. Okay. Prashna. This one is the correct. This they have written here. Prashna. This is a prashna. Prashna means question. Okay. Then chakra. This one chakra. ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಚಕ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಚಕ್ರ. We are going to write like this. Okay. Next. र का सही रूप लगाकर शब्द सही करो. Write the appropriate form of r to form correct words. Okay. See your children. Darpan. Then prath. Dress. Darpan ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay. Next प्रातः. Next dress. चित्र पहचान कर नाम लिखो. Identify the pictures and write their names. Can you do this? This one is a train. This one is a truck. Okay. This one is a Chandram. You have to write in a web textbook. Okay. I am going to give you for homework. Write Abhyas exercise in a textbook, page number 19. Okay. Next. See it is up to the 3rd lesson. It's a very easy. First lesson, second lesson, third lesson, children, those are very easy. Why? Because they have given a basic things. First they have given a knowledge about the words. Words ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ knowledge ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay. With the help of those words they have given next lessons. Okay. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು first words letters ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕ ಬರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಕನ ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ ಬರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರೀತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಶ. ಓಕೆ. This please be perfect with the letters, children. Okay. First try to learn the vowels and the vyanjan. Next sanyukta vyanjans. After that you have to learn some words whatever they have given in the first, second, third chapters. Okay. After that try to read this lesson. That next lesson is children ek anek. Ek anek means one and many. Okay. They have given here singular and a plural form. Boy, boys. Like that in Hindi they have given ek anek. Okay. We will start that ek anek chapter in the next class, children. Now I am going to give you homework. After that once again I am going to make you read this lesson number 3rd. Okay. Now I am going to give you homework, children. What homework complete page number, complete page number 18. See, page number 18 ಇದನ್ನ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Okay, 18 and complete exercise given in page number, what children, 19 in the textbook. Okay, of lesson 3. Okay, I hope you all understood the homework, children. What homework? Complete page number 18. You have to open the page number 18 and complete it. These words they have given here. Once again you have to write these words in a textbook. Okay, after that complete exercise given in page number 19. It's a page number 19. They have given a abhyas exercise. Okay, in the textbook of lesson number 3. You have to complete these all the words. It's very easy. First mainly what it is, make a words by joining the letters. They have given here some letters. You have to join those letters and write here words. Okay, after that they have given two words. You have to put a tick mark for the correct word. After that they have given there ra, pratah. Pratah hinge ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತಾ? Pra, paratah. It's absolutely wrong. How you are going to write this one? Pra, pratah. Okay, next like this. Next, चित्र पहचान कर नाम लिखो. They have given some pictures. Okay, you have to see those pictures and write the meanings. Okay, once again children, I am going to recall this lesson number 3rd. Look at your textbook, open page number 17. र का प्रयोग, र का प्रयोग, गाजर कैरेट, अंगूर grapes, टमाटर टोमेटो, सर्प snake. Okay, सूर्य sun, पर्वत mountain. Next, चक्र wheel, chandrama. Okay, moon, sorry, chandrama, moon. Pranam, salutation. Next, truck, drum, trolley, what it is, trolley. Next, they have given here words in the page number 18. Karn, harsh, varsh. Next, darpan, prashn, pratham, graha. Okay, prakash, truck, drum, trolley and metro. This one I said pranam, children, now it is. It's a pratham. Pratham we can say in English first. Okay, after that padho aur likho, read and understand. दोपहर का समय था, काले बादलों के कारण सूर्य का प्रकाश कम हो गया था. प्रेम प्रतिदिन मेट्रो से घर आता है, आज अभी तक घर नहीं पहुंचा. माँ इसी फिंक में दरवाजे पर खड़ी थी, तभी प्रेम आता दिखाई दिया, माँ खुश हो गई. Okay, this is a para they have given related to that word, children. Okay, then up to here I have completed the lesson, children. Once again I am going to tell you, no need of, don't worry about the syllable, children. I am going to make a paras. Okay, you have to write. Okay, thank you children, meet you in the next class.